Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create SRT file or subtitle file with just your mobile phone in any language of your choice. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to create SRT files or subtitle file in any language using just your mobile phone. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do if you are using Android phone, what you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. Click on my Play Store right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to your search app right here and type in I record. Then click on search. Then take you to this particular I record transcribe right here. And this is the right app we need to use. As you can see, I have already downloaded and installed it on my phone, just like so. Now, as at the time of making this video, about 100,000 plus have downloaded and installed the app for one or two things, such as transcribe, convert the audio to SRT file, or translation of what I feel. So, after you have successfully downloaded and installed the I record apps on your Android phone or an iPhone, next thing you need to do is to simply exit from the app store. Then you have to head over to the app icon on your phone, just like so. So I have the app right here, so I'm going to click on it straight up. Then it's going to open up like this. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to choose your transcribe from files. Then select your audio file, just like so. And you have Chinese, English to English, Japanese, and Korean and Spanish. So in this tutorial, I'm going to transcribe into Japanese language. Then I will click on confirm duration and limit. So in a few seconds, it's going to upload the file and quickly transcribe the file from audio file to. So just like so, we have the file right here, fully transcribed into Japanese language. I can simply click on it, just like so. So this is the audio file in English, and why this is already been transcribed back into Japanese language. Now, how do we export this file as SRT file? What we need to do now, how do we export this file as SRT file or subtitle file? What we need to do is to click on these three dots at the top right here, click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on export. Now you have SRT right here, click on that. Just like so. So you have your SRT note 9 SRT file right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to choose your file location. So I'm taking this into my folders. So I'm going to export it to my Google Drive right here. You can also export it direct to your video editing app, just like so. Then I'll simply come to the top right here. I will click on save. File uploaded successful. So after I successfully upload it to Google Drive, we can simply download it from our Google Drive and import it into our video editing apps and start to use it for our subtitle or translation in video editing. So basically, this is how to create SRT file in any language using just your smartphone, using just your. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.